gypsy
Since the tub was restored in part 13, it's time to move on to the next component. That part is the bottle stack. In part 9, we finished the disassembly of this component. So in this part of the series, we're going to finish cleaning all the parts to the bottle stack assembly. But before we dig in, if you would, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. Before we can start on the bottle stack, let's tackle those smaller parts first. First up are all the small rivets that hold the linkage to the ratchet drive assemblies. They are rusty, but this isn't anything my wire wheel can't clean up. After some paint, they look good as new. Now onto the bigger rivets that hold the linkage to the stack assembly. Same process as before, wire wheel then paint. And again, good as new. Now onto what's called the ratchet dog brackets. After some off-camera cleaning, they're ready for some paint. Not bad either. Now for these two parts. The little one is the ratchet dog, and the big one is the ratchet lock release. After some cleaning and painting, they too look good. Now for the ratchet lock assembly and the small ratchet baffle. You know the drill, cleaning and painting. They're looking good. We're making some headway. Now we're working on the ratchet plates. I'm now going to use some steel wool to not only shine these up, but get any corrosion off. Now they are ready for some paint. Everything is looking so good. There's just a small amount of surface rust on these. Not perfect, but it will do. After a coat of paint, these are also looking amazing. Now onto the ratchet linkage assemblies. These look amazing. Now onto the guard linkage. Using some steel wool like before to clean them up. Going to spray them all down with some primer. Then to speed the drying up, I'm hitting them with the heat gun. This process is on both sides. Then paint. Heat again, then repeat again. Wow, these turned out really nice. Now we're getting bigger with the parts. We are now going to go ahead and clean, then paint the ratchet base assembly and the ratchet bar. Same color and same paint on the ratchet base as the tub. I'm not going to paint the ratchet bar, it's in too good of condition to touch. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for, cleaning and painting the bottle stack assembly. I forgot to get footage of what it looks like after. I guess you'll just have to wait until part 15 to find that out. Did you notice we didn't restore one part in the whole assembly? The bottle gates. They are rough. I'm now going to get them down to bare metal. Took a ton of time, but they are ready for primer, then some paint. After letting the primer dry for a day, it's time for paint. I let them dry, but I think the paint being mostly dry won't hurt it if I install the decals. So obviously I think they're just stickers. I think I peel them off and then I just gotta apply it right on there. So let's give it a shot. Wow. Man, that looks freaking good, man. That is awesome. Wow, these gates look absolutely amazing. This is making me so excited to paint the cabinet and get this thing all done and over with. Make sure you come back to watch the rest of the series. Thanks for watching part 14.